Hello, welcome all to my channel. Today we carry our discussion for creation of the database or the schema in MySQL workbench. Let's start. After opening the software, you will be get such kind of an environment. It will be consist of the 4 different windows. One is the navigator window, information window. This one is an output window, and this one is an query window. In the query window, we have to write down the different queries for the operation. This one is an navigator window. It is having the 2 tabs. One is an administrator and another one is an schema. In this schema navigator, you will get all the information related with how many databases are there, which are that, what are the tables related with that particular database or the schema like. Nextly, it is an information. In the information window, or in which current project or the database you are working, in which where you are working currently, that information is provided. Whatever your execution status, that is your query returned to be correct or wrong, or is there a kind of an error available, that is displayed in this output window. Now, for the today's session, we going to see that how to create the database. As far as the software is concerned, the database is also called as a schema. The database is created with 2 ways. One with the help of queries, is another one with the help of the inbuilt function available. The database is going to be created with the help of a query. We will be just see that is the firstly. To create the database, we have to write the keyword as create database followed with a database name. So you can say that that is first project. Every query should be terminated with a semicolon. To execute the query, you have again the 2 ways. If there group of queries, if you want to execute, or a particular section you have to execute, then select that portion and click over here, that is execute the selected portion. If you want to execute one by one query, then you have to select on this icon. So this is the icon where you can execute individual query. So I want to just execute this line. Click over here, then I am just hitting this icon. Your output you can see over here. This one is on a green tick mark. That means your query is executed correctly. No error is there. One row is affected. Now, to show your database is created or not, you have to move this navigator window. What is our project name? It is on a first underscore project. So you can be just see. You are expecting to create the database right over here, but right now it is not able to see. So first of all, refresh this window. After refreshing this, you will be just seen right now. This is first project. This kind of a cylindrical symbol is the notation for the database or the schema. This arrow will be used with the subsections for this database, that is the tables, views, store, procedures, and functions. So in this way, with the help of create database, this syntax, you can create the database. If you want to delete the database or drop the database, you write down the syntax or the keyword as drop database. Drop database. You have to mention the database. So create. For the creation of the database, you are using the keyword as create database. For the deleting or drop the database, you have to write down the keyword as drop database followed with a database name. Now execute this query. Already cursor is over here. I just go with an individual query execution. Click over here. Now you are not able to see this named project. So it is going to be deleted. In this way, you can drop the one database. This is the one way. Another way to drop the database is that you first of all select the project, select the database or the schema you want to delete. Then right click over there. Just click on the drop schema. Drop now. The database or that particular schema is going to be deleted. So in this way, with the two ways, you can drop or delete the database. Now we will be moved towards the next point. Just if you want the information related with all the databases available or connected to the server, then you just go to write down the keyword as show databases. Show databases, semicolon, and hit the query. So you will be get all the list over here of the databases which are connected to this server. Here are the different kinds of facilities are available. So these are the some kind of a list of the databases available. The another way to create the database is with the help of the inbuilt function. If you just click on this kind of a cylindrical notation, this is for creation of a new schema or the database. So click on this notation, this kind of a window will be popped up. Here you have to give the name of the database. So I will be just give the same name over here because previously we have dropped it. This is the name that given towards the database. Then click on the apply. This is the query, or you can say the script is generated. We have already just did it. That is a create schema. Then it is followed with a database name. Click on this apply. The SQL statement is going to be executed. After this execution, after this executing the SQL command, click on the finish. You just see over here this FIRST underscore PROJ. This database is created. So this is the another way of creation of the database. So for the today's session, we have just seen how to create the database. It is carried out with the two ways. One is with the help of the query and another is with the help of an inbuilt function. For creation of the database, you have to write down the syntax as create database, database name. To drop the database, you write down drop database, database name. To show the different kinds of a database, you have to hit the query as show database. With the help of the notation also, you can create the database. So this one is for the today's session. Thank you all.